Hello, my friends. Welcome to this special broadcast where I've got two exciting things to share with you. And when you understand the information, you're going to understand why LinkedIn is going to become your favorite social network. That's right. You're going to end up spending more time on LinkedIn than on Facebook. We're going to show you how to use it for free. Now, there are new video and texting tactics that we've introduced since the beginning of the year that produce immediate results. They'll work on LinkedIn, they'll work on Facebook, but they really work well on LinkedIn when you understand who is waiting for you on LinkedIn. You all can become top earners in your business when you put this exciting project launch script to work. Now, among the scripts, we have new video and texting tactics that are producing immediate results for people. Everyone loves them, everyone's having results, and everyone loves the special project launch script. The script creates faster enrollments, produces immediate duplication, transforms your new recruits into recruiting machines, and it builds excitement and faster team growth. It increases motivation throughout your team and drives momentum deep in your organization. And it works with prospects everywhere. Works on Facebook, works with the people you connect with on LinkedIn, works on YouTube, works on Twitter, and it even works with Instagram. The script works with people that you talk to face to face, and it works with people talking on the phone. But it works the best on LinkedIn because LinkedIn is Facebook for professionals. It's king. The project launch script creates immediate curiosity with your prospect, serious interest, a sense of urgency, fast, decisive action that duplicates. But it only works when used with the right people. It's easier to connect with the right people on LinkedIn because you know in advance that someone needs and wants what you're promoting because of all the details they provide you with on their profile. LinkedIn has become Facebook for professionals. 645 million professionals in over 200 countries are on it. Everyone is on it for networking. LinkedIn has added many of Facebook's most popular features. You can connect with target professionals and use it for free. The keyword search will help you identify perfect cream of the crop prospects. It'll help you find the people that you're looking for with their advanced search. Locate people looking for new opportunities. Locate people that share similar values with you. The notifications feature allows you to follow the activity of your prospects. The live chat feature will enable you to talk to people, share pictures, emojis, GIFs, and videos. You'll know why your prospects are there. You'll know what they're doing and when they're doing it. You'll have a direct link to YouTube. You'll have a direct link to Twitter. And your smartphone app provides you with video features. Their new video and texting tactics are going to be producing immediate results. Now, every second, 2 new LinkedIn profiles are added. LinkedIn is hot. Every day, 172,800 new profiles added. Every week, 1.2 million added. Every month, close to 5 million new LinkedIn profiles are being added. LinkedIn lets you easily connect with the people that you know, but they restrict your ability to connect with the people that you don't know unless you know their email address. They want to charge you to message the people you don't know. But they've got secret backdoors that make it possible to connect with the people you don't know and use it for free. These secret doors circumvent the restrictions for connecting people you don't know. They make it possible to connect with more perfect prospects, communicate with them faster, and close more sales in less time without paying for it. Your competition is using these secret doors, and you should be using them too. LinkedIn is the undisputed #1 social network lead source for prospecting, recruiting, and business building used by top earners. Now, there are 12 reasons why you need to be on LinkedIn. It's better than Facebook for building your business. You can conduct 99% of your business with LinkedIn's phone app. Their search features make it easy to find perfect prospects. LinkedIn makes connecting with cream of the crop prospects simple and fast. Their live chat feature ensures immediate responses when you contact someone. LinkedIn enables you to post or share videos to impress your target audience. You can see who has looked at your profile. You can see if your prospect is logged in or the last time they were logged in. You can see when your prospect is reading your message or typing their answer. And you can circumvent their limits of talking to people you don't know. You can connect with strangers even when you don't know their email address. And the best part is you can use it for free. Are you one of the millions of network marketers who are afraid of LinkedIn, are intimidated by it, refuse to use it, or don't want to pay for it? Well, LinkedIn is about to become your favorite social network for building your business. For complete details and tips about my special project launch script that's producing immediate results, register for tonight's special free training at maxsteingart.com/free training. Now, 4 years ago, I shared the project launch script that's part of my 90-day game plan with all of the participants in my 2-day top earner retreat. The next one takes place on February 27th and 28th. Now, for the first time on December 27th, I shared the strategy and script to use it with everyone that was participating in my daily live Ask Max session. And oh my God, I turned on a flood of activity. The result of the people that have been using it since have been awesome. And that's why I'm going to be adding that script into the curriculum of my January boot camp. Now, Karen, participating in boot camp, initially sent out 135 messages, 18 people responded, and she got 15 appointments. Her closing ratio was 53%. Her percentage of people accepting appointments was 83%. We got a recent message from her. She's now got 28 people interested, 10 overviews, 3 more scheduled, 3 sales, and 2 are saving the money. She's still at a closing ratio of 50%. Dan sent the launch script to 22 people, 17 responded, a 77 response rate. Rebecca, 69 messages, 3 overviews, 2 enrollments, 3 more appointments. Jim sent out 10 messages, 2 people interested. Sure wishes he knew about this 5 years ago. 75% response rate, 15% closing ratio. Look at these numbers. The percentages are going to be determined by the relationship you have with the people you contact. Folks, it's not what works in network marketing, it's what duplicates. Bring somebody into your business on Monday. By Wednesday, they can be bringing in their friends. By Friday, they can be bringing in their friends. Now, I guarantee that when you devote some time to building your business on LinkedIn, it will become your favorite social network. Warning, if you're addicted to being on Facebook, you're going to find LinkedIn to be even more addicting. So how big is your business right now? More importantly, how fast would you like it to grow in January? How big would you like your business to be by the end of the month in March? Well, how fast your business will grow in January and how big it will be at the end of March is going to be determined by 4 things. The number of people you talk to about your business between now and March 31st, the number of people you enroll, the number of people that the people you enroll know, and what you do to ensure maximum duplication and growth. So what do you plan on doing March 31st? Do you want to be celebrating, rank advancing 2 or 3 levels? Or are you going to be having a pity party because your business didn't grow at all? Join me Sunday night for a live free training. We're going to dive deep into the project launch script at maxsteingart.com/free training. And if you miss this one, join me all week at maxsteingart.com/webinars. Jump on any one of them and watch me demonstrate prospecting and recruiting on Facebook and LinkedIn, and with a special emphasis on the project launch script on LinkedIn. Additionally, there's still time to join me in my January boot camp. Go to maxsteingart.com/bootcamp. First session of boot camp already took place. The recorded sessions are waiting for you. So go to maxsteingart.com/bootcamp. Use the promo code ANEWYOU. And let us help you make 5 sales before the end of January and master a very, very simple process. When you put all of the pieces together, LinkedIn is absolutely going to be your favorite social network.